Have you bought AirPod Pro Gen 2s recently and not sure whether they're real or fake? I'm going to show you how you can spot whether they're real or not in 3 steps without taking off the seal. As you can see, these have still got the plastic seal around as well as the seal strips. And I'm going to show you how you can tell if they're real or not. The first sign is always the packaging, and as you can see, it's not symmetrical or professional looking, especially these seal and strips. This bottom one's not too bad, but this top one, as you can see, we've got some stitching showing there, and it's also aligned slanted, which generally is it's a fair sign that these aren't Apple products. However, if you're not satisfied with that, the other way you can tell is the typography. Now, genuine Apple products will never have a spelling mistake or typography errors, and as you can see here, right after compatible with iOS device, it says iPad OS device all in one word, and that would never be the case on any genuine Apple products. And I mean, look, these sort of typography errors are easy to miss, hard to spot, and that's the whole point. It's to beat the plagiarism and to generally cause confusion among customers. However, if you've verified this and it still looks as though it's fine and the typography is correct, another sign, especially on the Gen 2 model, is whether they are a sticker or engraved. As you can see, these are stickers. Some Gen 2 models do have stickers, however the newer ones are engraved on the box itself rather than on stickers, and generally that's harder to plagiarize. And as you can see, these are stickers. Now, if you do have stickers, they should also be aligned straight and professional, and as you can see, these stickers are slightly slanted, which would imply they are not genuine. A final way to verify is obviously verifying all of the information on this right-hand side, including the model number and serial number. For example, the model number, when you check it on Google, it should relate back to a Apple UK product, not a Hong Kong product or another sort of Asian product, because this is generally a sign that these are fake. Also, if you have a scanner, you can scan the serial number and you can tell whether they are genuine, because the genuine AirPods would have a S before the serial number when scanned, as they do here. And when you scan these particular models, you can see it goes straight to the serial number, no S in a bracket, and that is a sign they are fake. Like and follow for more.